subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In the last video, we have learned about how to create Angular component. Now we will learn interpolation in Angular. So, double curly braces is interpolation in Angular. Let's check what is interpolation. So here I am writing a name as a variable which can be of type any. Let it be a string with the value NSCODE. Now to render it, we will just write h2 tag and the curly braces with variable name inside int. Let's save this. As you can see that NSCODE is in our view. In the same way, we can do many things inside the interpolation. Like if we write 2 plus 4, this will create some simple mathematical calculation also. So like if I have written 2 plus 4, we can see the total of that, and that is 6. So in the same way, we can do the multiplication like this. Suppose it is what we can say 10 into 20. We will see 200 as a multiplication on the page. Let's try some more thing, and let's create a boolean with a name is open, and yeah, it's a boolean, and by default it will set it as a false. Now inside the interpolation, we will use a ternary operator. So here it is, like inside the interpolation, if is open, then the ternary operator, then we will show the text. If is open is true, then it will show NSCODE. If it is false, then it will show happy learning. Yeah, that's fine. Now if I save this and reload the page, we can see happy learning as our is open is in false state, right? So like if the is open is in true state, it will get printed as NSCODE, right? So now we can do other mathematical calculations also. So if I do the division here inside the interpolation, it will also give us the result. So suppose it is 10 by 5. So if I save this page, I can see that it is 2. The result is given. So in the next video, we will learn class binding.